Hi, I am Mohammed Afzal. Welcome back to our Excel tutorial series. In today's video, we will be diving into the fascinating world of prefix and suffix in advanced Excel. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced user, understanding how to utilize prefix and suffix can greatly enhance your spreadsheet skills. Let's get started. Select column of the number, go to custom number formatting, custom, type the formula, double inverted comma, type prefix. You write any criteria as per your norms. So I use prefix word between the double inverted comma slash double inverted comma, then I write 0 for number. So you understand ahead when I use on the same pattern on text. So here double inverted comma slash suffix and again double inverted comma. This is the most important comma to use the prefix and suffix on the number column. Just click on OK, then you see this is the magic of Excel. Easily shows you prefix and suffix before and after the number. So if I use in the text column, just select it first, all column, then go to number formatting, then click on custom, then here again you type the formula. So again here double inverted comma and then write prefix. You also use here again any words as per your criteria, as per your norms. So I use prefix double inverted slash double inverted comma, then I use here 0, so you can show there is a result value is nothing. So again between the double inverted comma I use suffix, then click on OK, and you see there is no uses of the prefix and suffix just because you know why, just here use the 0. So when we use the text column we always use @. So backspace, type @, then click on OK, then you easily show the result. So always know that in number uses use 0, in text uses use @ between the prefix and suffix. So always put the double inverted comma between the prefix and suffix. That's it for today's video on using prefix and suffix in advanced Excel. We have only scratched the surface, but I hope you now have a solid understanding of their benefits and how to apply them in your own spreadsheet. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips and tutorials.